pinagsama mo yung proper skill
Yes.
and high-end na product, wala pang coating, pwede na ako magsinungaling eh. Pwede ko na sabihin na
Meron na.
coating na yan.
Meron na.
Kasi wala naman, hindi naman naiintindihan ng tao. Pero dito pumapasok yung integrity ng isang business. Na kami, kahit ginawa na namin na sobrang ganda, we will still do what is right kung ano yung binabayaran sa amin ng customer.
Pogi ni Jabez, guys. Tingnan nyo ang pogi niya. Parang bago ulit 5 years ago. Look at Jabez, so pogi. Wow! Wow! Sir Jason, thank you po for inviting us.
Yes.
Welcome to Pampanga.
Thank you, sir.
And guys, so winelcome po siya sa Pampanga kasi this is their second branch, tama po ba?
Yes.
Okay, to formally let our viewers know po, yan, please introduce yourself.
Okay, I'm Jason Templo Nuevo. Our first branch is in Parañaque. Nagkataon, marami nagtatanong bakit daw Pampanga. Actually, my wife is from Pampanga. Nung nakita ko itong pwesto na to, sabi ko, gusto ko dito sa, gusto ko magtayo dito sa Pampanga.
Okay. Ano po ba yung actual address natin dito niyan, sir?
We are located at Seoy Lagundi. We are in front of McDonald's and one building away from SM Pampanga. So, very accessible.
Super accessible, actually. What's your history in car detailing?
Okay. Yeah, so, isa yan sa mga gustong-gusto ko talagang topic. Kasi maraming nagugulat pag tinatanong na, kasi parang sa Pilipinas wala namang course na, uy, I want to be a car detailer someday. Walang ganon. So, it's a skill that you learn by experience and through a process. Nagkataon ako kasi nagkaroon ako ng mentor na mahusay. Very systematic, very theoretical yung approach niya. Yun yung naging mentor ko. So ako naman, going back, I'm a professional violinist.
Alright.
Yeah, so I play violin. Pumasok ako sa UST Conservatory.
Wow.
Kaso talagang hilig eh. Ako kasi, pag pumasok ako sa isang bagay, gusto ko, pag pinasok ko siya, ma-master ko siya. So basically, nabuo yung Jason's Premium Auto Care Detailing.
Yes.
Because ako talaga yung marunong. Ako yung marunong mag-car wash, ako yung marunong mag-interior detailing, mag-exterior detailing. Inaral ko talaga yun.
Yes.
At nung panahon na inaaral ko yun, hindi ako naniningil. To the point, ako pa yung nagtatawag. Tara, ililibre kita, di-detail ko yung car mo.
So out of passion na, no?
Passion talaga. Passion talaga. Lahat ng sasakyan namin, ako naglilinis niyan. Gusto ko yan. Minsan, darating ako gabi. Ayaw kong madumi yung sasakyan ko. 11 o'clock PM, ha? Car wash ko yan. Dahil sa hilig ko sa car detailing, I discovered one product. Solution siya doon sa nagiging problema ng karamihan, which is yung sa pang-glass.
Which is ikaw rin na nagkakaroon ng problema.
Yes. Kapag may problema na solve mo, business yan.
Correct.
So, nagsimula muna ako ng product selling, mga DIYers. At the same time, mga shops. Dahil very exposed ako sa mga detailing products, naging detailer na rin. Basically, Jason's Premium Auto Care Detailing, kung mapapansin niyo, wala sa talagang car wash. Because, ang specialty talaga namin detailing.
Sir Jason, ano po ba yung ginagawa nila niyan?
Okay, so tapos na tayo dun sa prep. So basically, bago tayo mag-ceramic coating or mag-graphene coating, nagpapolish muna tayo to remove the swirls, especially this car.
Yes.
Hindi na sa bago, marami na sa mga light scratches, swirl. So yun muna. Yes. Very important kasi yung preparation, kasama to doon. Pero prior to the polishing stage, ang mga ginagawa natin dyan, binawash muna natin, tinatanggal natin yung mga asphalt, very important, and then yung mga claying method or claying process para mawala yung mga contaminants sa paint, dumulas siya, so that kapag pinalis natin, mas magiging makintab at madulas yung surface niya. Kasi we need to see to it na balik na yung original na, labas na yung clear coat niya, yung original clear coat, wala na mga contaminants, so makintab na siya, bago natin siya ilalak ng graphene coating. As you can see, meron tayong mga spotlight, which is very important.
What's the use?
Kasi pag walang spotlight, yung nakikita natin na traditional na ginagawa na buff lang ng buff, wala silang idea reference kung ano ba nangyari doon, tama na ba siya, hindi pa. Meron tayong magiging reference. So, kapag sinunasan mo yan, sir, kita mo na agad yung difference.
Oo nga, no?
Yeah. So, sa detailing kasi marami nagtatanong, akala nila pag sinabing detailing, isang branch lang siya, no? Meron kasing exterior detailing. Meron tayong interior detailing. At yung hindi alam ng iba, meron ding engine detailing. As much as possible, we will try to make it as look as brand new,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
yung kung paano mo siya nilabas sa kasa.
Restore talaga.
Restore talaga. Iba na kasi yung technology ngayon eh. Dati exterior detailing, wina-wax lang yan.
Uh-huh.
That's the older technology.
Uh-huh.
Ngayon, ang uso ngayon yung graphene coating.
Wow,
Yes, graphene coating. It's basically, ang pinaka-base ingredient niya is ceramic. Pero like cellphones, laptops, nag-innovate eh.
Yes.
So ngayon, yung ceramic coating infused with graphene para mas maging durable.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Yun na yun.
It's a newer technology dun sa alam natin na ceramic coating.
Exactly. Opo.
Kasi when we say ceramic coating, may mga branches pa ba yan? May mga iba-iba bang category? Or how do you call it sa industry?
Sa basically, yung ceramic coating kasi is SiO2. Yan yung kumbaga sa science,
Yes.
yung generic name niya eh. Silicon dioxide.
Silicon dioxide.
Yes, that's ceramic.
Yes.
For cars. Yung SiO2, in-infuse nila yung graphene doon, mas maging less prone sa watermarks, mas maging durable siya.
Yeah.
If you will check online or you do your research, lagi sinasabi, graphene-infused coating are better than the traditional ceramic
coating.
Here in our shop,
Yes.
we're still offering the traditional ceramic coating.
Okay.
You still have an option. Aminin na natin, minsan nagiging
Budget. Exactly.
Yes. That's why sabi ko nga sa'yo, sir, we have 3 levels of coating that we offer. Kung ano yung kaya ng
Yes.
customer. We have the entry level, we have the scenic ceramic coating which is made in USA.
Okay.
And then ito naman, ito yung aming top of the line na made in Germany.
What differentiate your shops to the other existing
yeah. That's a very good question niya.
Yeah.
Sige. Gawin natin itong example.
Yeah.
Pampanga ka rin, pero dulo-dulo tayo. Pampanga rin ako. We are 2 different shops who use the same coating.
Correct.
Ngayon, ang tanong, paano yan? Parehas tayo ng coating. Paano isipin ng customer sino yung mas magaling or sino yung mas dapat puntahan? Ayan.
Yeah.
That's why kanina, sir, I always emphasize to our customers na hindi kami magaling mag-apply ng coating. Ang ina-emphasize namin, if you're looking for a trusted, legitimate car detailing shop, kami yun. Because, like what I've said a while ago, dun wala pang camera, yung pag-a-apply ng coating is the easiest part.
Yes.
It's really the easiest part.
Yes.
Kahit sino, kaya kong turuan 10 to 15 minutes marunong na mag-apply nito. But, kaya siya professional grade, not because it's hard to apply. Because the preparation that needed, kailangan na professional.
Makes sense.
Yes. Yun yung inaral ko ng matagal na panahon. So, definitely, yung output nito at saka output nito, magkaiba.
There you go.
Yes. Kaya yung experience plus proper training. Ito, sir, example ito. I just had a training nung January. It's an advanced training. Kumbaga, matagal na ako sa industry. Nagtitraining
But you still keep on learning.
Yes. And foreigner din na nag-conduct nito galing sa US.
Wow.
Yun siguro advantage ng enthusiast eh. I believe talaga na kailangan sabay.
Yes.
Sabay yung skills, sabay din yung
Technology.
gamit. Yes, yung technology.
Meron tayong one day
turnover.
turnover.
One day turnover.
Tell us more about it, sir.
Okay, so yan isa sa mga maganda na ma-experience sa mga taga-Pampanga or mga Kapampangan or nearby Pampanga.
Yeah.
Kasi lately, marami na rin kami customer from Bataan, sa Nueva Ecija, Tarlac, na dumadayo dito. Kasi when they found out na kaya pa ng one day, ay, doon na lang kami. Kasi sabi ko nga sir, sa Paranaque, karamihan ng clients ko, mga middle class, isa lang yung sasakyan. Pag sinabi mo 3 days, hindi nila iiwan yan. Pag sinabi ko sa kanila, kayang one day, sige, book natin. Ngayon, ang tanong, uy, ba't ang bilis?
Yes.
Ba't ang bilis naman, one day lang? Baka naman, ano yan? Baka daw, hindi daw quality, kasi one day lang.
Correct.
So, simple lang naman ang sagot yan, sir. First, we do it by schedule. Bihirang-bihira kami dito yung tatanggap na walk-in. Not unless wala talagang gawa.
Okay.
Or next day release.
Okay.
Especially pag tanghali na dinala. We have multiple detailers doing 1 hour. And going back again sa proper equipment and high-end products.
There you go.
Chemical.
There you go.
So, nagiging efficient lahat.
Wait. Sir, sa mga interested po na mag-avail ng services ninyo, how can they contact you? Yan.
Tulad ng nabanggit namin kanina, napaka-accessible ng area namin. We're just located here at inside Sea Oil, Lagundi. We are just beside SM Pampanga and in front of McDonald's. We have a page.
Yes.
Type nyo lang. Kasi dalawang page natin. Meron Paranaque. Minsan naliligaw yung ibang inquiry doon. Type nyo lang Jason's Premium Auto Care Detailing, may dash Pampanga.
There you
So,
go.
sasagutin namin kayo doon. Gusto ko rin pakilala sa kanila si Sir Marlon. Yes, Sir Marlon he's my partner here sa Pampanga.
Dito sa Pampanga.
Exactly.
Alright, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much. Sir.
Not just presenting the business, at least tayo po, no, sa mga car enthusiasts, and even dun sa mga baguhan pa lang na nagkaroon ng sasakyan. Tayo po ay natututo. Huwag po tayong mag-settle dun sa, of course, the tradition is there. Kumbaga, ano yung nakasanayan is also there. But let us all be open sa mga ganitong bagong innovation.
New innovation, new technology, new process na akala natin, okay lang pala yung ganito, meron pala mas better.
Exactly. Yeah. Alright. Thank you so much po.
Thank you so much ulit, sir. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much.